less wire.
You need less wire. Huh?
Yeah.
You fucked it up.
Turn me down 5.
What, on the heat?
No, wire.
Go.
Yeah.
More?
That's good. What's up with the fucking stop? I guess it's the heat.
Yeah.
I can't weave that big because I gotta be hotter. It's fagging out on me when I go to...
So it should be a 27. 27 on the volts. Looking for material. That's the piece right there. Uh-oh, it's firing. What do you want?
A little more wire. I'm doing a huge weave right now.
How's that?
Yeah, that's good.
Sounds good. Nice. Go ahead, Josh.
Vertical?
Yeah.
Try it.
Try it.
Leave a root pass vertical?
Just
No. No? I move pretty quick. Especially on this, you're gonna have to move pretty quick. Try one on here, right up there, and then move to the bigger one. That'll get a better idea. Circle? Either straight on. Yeah, like point down that way.
the old East singer. It's the greatest.
Leave like a 1/2 inch of stick away. Alright. A 1/2 inch stick out. Damn. It's locked in there. Yeah. That's when it's like pouring in, then you're ready, like, you're moving too quick, you gotta give it a minute to build up. Yeah, you see how this goes out? Yeah. That was good.
Dude.
That was good.
Dude. Wow. Now, hit that top one. Don't burn your hands on the bottom. And just run what you're doing straight up. No. That's a no-no. You're not running 230, 211 or nothing. See your angle, Braden? Show him your angle. Wrong.
I told him to point up a little.
Alright.
It's a thin plate.
Alright, good luck.
You gotta be like this.
Yeah, just like that.
Because it's thin, you might be able to control it. Thing is though, maybe, if once you start getting in too up high, then the weld won't work. You gotta keep that like same angle, so it's kind of tough when you start out welding low. Get burnt out, sorry.
Yo, 3/4 stick out.
Quarter?
Yeah.
You gotta straighten that shit.
This is good stuff.
Oh, yours fell off, huh? That looks great. Yeah, when you're like, say this is the tip of your rod, right? Yeah. If you're gonna angle up, dude, you gotta try and keep it. And since you're already kneeling, it's gonna be hard for you to,
I'm gonna stand
keep
up.
that angle. You know what I mean? Because you might have to do this.
And you gotta have a
But
slide.
if you start getting like this, dude, if you
start getting like this, you'll see the weld's gonna be. It'll be like spraying out. It won't start like butterfly. Yeah, you won't keep your puddle. So technically, you should aim it down.
Okay. I'm gonna go straight.
It's better to start like that.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you can start pushing.
Yeah.
Start pushing it upward. You're not letting gravity.
Yeah. It's thinking towards.
Not too radical.
I almost like that. I like straight on that. I'm a straight shooter.
I told him to change his angle so you could see what it does.
Alright.
In the middle of the ball.
Damn, I think he's tired, Frank. What the fuck? Fuck that stick. I'm gonna run out with a Flux 230.
Very nice, dude. Holy. You don't even need that, bro.
Oh yeah!
Oh my
Come
God.
on, boy.
Hold
Come on. Come on,
Yeah,
boy.
ready?
Dude!
Oh,
Damn!
holy cow.
I told you could do it.
Better than me.
That's fucking
Deftones.
nice, dude.
I'm proud of this kid. Hey, Jeanette. Tuh.
Told ya.
Wow. 8 years. He hasn't touched a stinger, and it's been 2 hours.
He's never welded flux core before.
Nope. And wow. Cool. See that? Now that's what I'm talking about. The kid wanted help. I'm here. I'm so proud of him. I've known him since he was 12 years old. They've been hanging. It's great. Great fishing, hunting buddies. Iron worked. Josh connected.
That's like what I
He wants to get back in the game. There's his horizontal pad. There's his 7018. The overhead he was working on. That's, hey, I love overhead, but
No, for 4 days.
you got to practice to get good. But to do this, damn. I'm out of here. God bless America. See that? Yeah. Nice. Where's light? Later. 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 Always got to get my Deftones.